It is Taco Tuesday night, and I'm going to show you how to make these thin and crispy, delicious tacos for dinner. So I start off by chopping up some potatoes. You can use any potatoes. I like using red and golden potatoes the most because they are so creamy and delicious. I use these La Diada crunchy shells. Guys, I get these from Albertsons, and they're absolutely incredible. They're super thin and crispy, like the thinnest crispy taco shell you've ever had in your life. I start these tacos by frying up some potatoes. I use my cast iron. I absolutely love making potatoes in cast iron. They come out incredible. So I do the potatoes first, and then I add in ground turkey. Our family loves ground turkey. We don't do beef too often, but either one is fine. Then you're gonna add your seasoning, salt, pepper, garlic. I added a little bit of chili powder just for some extra flavoring. Make sure these guys got fried up, golden and delicious. I do cover them and lower the heat. That way the potatoes get nice and soft, and then they still get that char on the meat, and make sure that the protein is cooked all the way through. This is super, super helpful. Make sure that they're not sticking to the bottom. If it does, that's okay. If you lower the heat and you steam your taco blend, it will actually come right up from the pan. So just a little tip and trick there, guys. Make sure you break up all of that ground beef or turkey, whatever you were using, into nice even chunks. This will make your taco assembly a lot easier, and make sure everything's cooked evenly all the way through. So I went ahead and covered it, let the potatoes get a little softer, and I grated my own cheese. I'm using a sharp cheddar. I love Tillamook cheddar. It is super creamy and super delicious, guys. And I did some thick shreds. Oh, it is so fluffy and just melts incredible. So there it is, guys. It got a little bit more of a browning to it, and now we're filling those thin, crispy taco shells. Man, this came out so good, guys. I hope you guys try. You have to let me know in the comments below what you guys are currently doing for taco night. Have you tried something like this before, or do you do something like chicken or shredded beef? Let me know down in those comments. So as you get these filled up, you want to get them nice and full. I like making a full tray because this is one of those meals that my family eats all gone. There is hardly any leftovers because these are so good. And so go ahead and top your tacos with cheese. You're going to top them with cheese before you stick them in the oven. Yes, these guys are going in the oven to get nice and golden brown. I put them in the oven for about 15-20 minutes. So look how golden and beautiful. We topped them with some lettuce and some diced tomatoes. You can add extra toppings, different salsas. Let me know what you guys like. These guys just went classic tomato and lettuce. Oh my God, they're so good. Don't forget, like, share, comment for more.